Hello, my name is Edward Strasser. I'm part of the Global Executive MBA program at the Wirtschaftsuniversität in Vienna in the program 2017-18. We've just finished a site visit to Siemens Transformers in Guangzhou. A fascinating experience where we got to see the level of technology and throughput at a Chinese factory. It's dismayed many people when they realized that their images of China were really wrong, that the capabilities in many Chinese factories, the one we saw yesterday at Medea, today here at Siemens, leading transformer factory here in the country, the capabilities, the high-tech, the quality, they painted a different picture than many of us came to China with, showed a message that China is an up-and-coming industry, it's an up-and-coming economy that will have to be reckoned with on a global level. It's an important message that we all learned that this is the new economy here.